Hi my angels, so today I have a surprise for you guys. I'm finally filming a hair tutorial when I haven't in years, but today I woke up and I said, you know what, I want to do a hair tutorial for them. They've been asking for it forever, and since I do have short hair and I did add a little bit of blonde highlights in my hair recently, I just thought that this cute little ringlet curl look would be super cute. And if you guys want to see how to do this look, then just keep on watching it. And today I'm going to be doing a transformation from my natural hair, which is this right now. It's quite a mess. It's pretty freaking wavy and just crazy. It has a mind of its own. I'm going to be using a Bellamy wand today, and I have never done this look before, so I'm a little bit nervous. And we're going to do this in fast motion. I'm going to show you guys step by step how I'm going to kind of attempt to do it. Everything else is going to be in fast motion, and we're going to see how it goes down. So I want my hair to be parted this way today. I just want it to be a side part. I feel like it just makes everything a little bit more voluminous and fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with it like this, and we're gonna start the process. So my hair is 1 day old, but I didn't do very much yesterday, so my hair isn't like dirty or anything. So I'm gonna be taking some Batiste spray, and I'm just gonna be putting that in my roots and just kind of making it a little bit more dirty. And by you doing this, it just gives you a lot more volume and texture and just makes your hair voluminous and big. Okay, so that part is good right there, and now I'm going to be taking this wand right here from Bellamy, and I'm going to start off with this little piece right here. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean. Wow, that is hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks like a little spaghetti. What are the curly pastas called? I forgot what they're called, but look, it just like springs onto my head. That is so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna just keep doing that towards all of my head. I'm gonna separate my hair into little sections and just do it just so it's a lot more voluminous, but it's gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna fast forward. I'm gonna be jamming out to some music. You know how it goes.
Just stay silent, either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sunrise. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat.
Okay, so I'm done with my first layer of curls. I honestly feel like Shirley Temple. She used to be like my little girl actress idol when I was younger. So I'm going to be spraying some of this Tresemme Invisible Hold Natural Finish hairspray. So this one doesn't make your hair feel crunchy. Spray my hair in this so it holds the curl. I'm going to hold it back with a liga, a hair tie, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to make sure that it gets out of my face for the second layer that we're going to do.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat.
The passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger.
And let's do the last layer and we should be good to go.
Oh boy, I'ma have to call them boys on you.
I'll take the passenger seat. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm
Thought I'd get you.
see the sunrise, you know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new.
Alright guys, moment of truth. This is our last piece that we're going to be working with right now. There we go. I haven't separated any of the curls because I want to do that last so I can get the full effect of the volume. So do any touch-ups that are necessary. So I'm going to start separating from the bottom part. So just comb through pretty much like with your nails a little bit. So cute. I've always wanted to see my hair how it would look if I was like this. Wow, Bellamy, I freaking love your wand. It is so good. Now since I like the way that it looks, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it one more time with some hairspray. Okay my angels, so that is all for today's hair tutorial, and that was me getting out of my comfort zone, finally doing a different video. Today I woke up and I said, you know what, I'm gonna film a hair tutorial for them because they have been dying for me to do something like this. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming it, and I'm so glad that I did because it came out so beautiful, and I feel like it's always super fun to try something new and different. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see my angels in my next video.